Sup guys, welcome back to the channel for another video. Here to remind you that the Miata still exists and we're still doing modifications for it. Now, if you've been a long-time follower of my channel, you'll probably be asking yourself, how in the world can you be modifying this car anymore? Just go drive it. And you're right, I'm gonna do both of those things in this video today. We are not only going to drive it, but we're going to install a part. I'm also installing another part to make another video, so you guys are gonna get 2 NC Miata videos, just as a reminder that this is still an NC Miata channel. And the product we have today is all the way from Poland, from Alex Engineering. So you guys know we've done some interior upgrades recently to the NC Miata with our new Corbo FX1 Pro seat. We've also got our MOMO Corse wheel with a new hub. We've got our hybrid racing shift knob with our leather boots. And of course, you can't forget the Super Automotive Accessories door pull straps. Go pick up a set of those. And there's quite a few of you that are like, oh, you know, you replace the airbag, you know, you lose your cruise control. You lose your cruise control? Not anymore, baby. So I'm not really like a big fan of cruise control. I don't really ever use it. I don't use it in the Volkswagen. I don't use it in the Miata. The one thing I did utilize the cruise control buttons for though was for switching through your EQ Tech modes. And I've seen a few people come up with solutions for this. This is the cleanest I've seen. It's the most simple. And shout out to Alex Engineering for sending this part over to me to make a video and share with you guys who may or may not have an aftermarket steering wheel. But if you're on the fence, this should help you solidify it even more because you're gaining a feature back that you would potentially lose outside of the airbag. So you can be cool and have a cool steering wheel, all while keeping your cruise control. He hand makes these and sends them from Poland, and they're really nicely packaged, and it's super simple. This is all it is right here. He's come up with his own bracket, own wiring, own circuit board, everything you need to literally plug and play cruise control back into your NC Miata with an aftermarket steering wheel. And this is really nice. It looks like these parts are 3D printed, which I like. I can appreciate that sort of thing. It's really well made. It's nice and sturdy. The buttons feel really nice. They're soft click, so they do click, but you can tell which buttons you're pressing, and the power button's a little different. So we're gonna test out all those features, but it has a connection for your horn, all the wiring that needs to go straight into your steering wheel hub. This should be something super easy to throw in. I'm hoping it really is just 6 bolts and we are on our way with cruise control. There's no coding required unless you are in Europe and have a 1.8 liter engine. I don't think that comes with cruise control on the ECU, but he does offer coding. So definitely go down below in the description, check out Alex Engineering. These are really, really, really affordably priced. I was surprised at how affordable these are. Get yourself a set ordered for your car. The shipping time was like maybe a week, which is really good from Poland. And yeah, Alex Engineering, thank you again. Let's jump in the car, get this installed, and then take it for a test drive. All right, so I'm hoping you guys can at least hear me, but here's the old steering wheel, cruise control right here, on, off, cancel, and then our up and down, set, resist, reset, set. I don't know what those mean, but we all know how it works. So we're taking this, turning it into this. So really cool adaptation of the cruise control module. Horn still works, so that's really great too. So now I'm gonna run it through and make sure that our EcuTech module is recognizing, or our EcuTech tune is recognizing the cruise control module. So do what we do, and ooh, they light up. That's sick. Oh, green, orange, and white. That is super cool. I didn't know that they did that. Okay, anyways, so turn our ignition on. Okay, so the cruise is turning on and off. So that works, but there it goes. Okay, sick. So we can still set our modes just like that. Wow, awesome. Oh, this is perfect. This is perfect. All right, let's go for a test drive. All right, guys, we are here in the NC Miata. Got my GoPro on my head, looking like a fucking idiot, but we're here. Hopefully you guys can see the speedometer and all that stuff. Like right there, cruise control's on. Like we showed in the video, just installing this sort of thing, everything seems to work all right. But now we need to test it, and that means going for a drive. So we're just gonna go ahead and do just that. Woo! I love this car. It sounds so good. Oh, love it. Anyways, let's go ahead and test our cruise control. Put it into fifth. All right. It is on, and then set, and we're cruising, baby. No foot on the gas right now. We are cruising. Let's see if we go up a little bit, speeds up, perfect. Down a little bit, turns it down. This is pretty good. I'm really happy with the way this works. And if we want to just cancel it, boom, canceled. Cruise control is still on, and we're canceled. And yeah. It works exactly as it should. This is awesome. I'm very happy with it. And as you guys saw earlier, we tested out the EcuTech settings, and that worked just fine as well. So this is awesome. I'm really quite stoked with how this looks. It's not intrusive at all, and it works really well. So very happy with it. I just wanna rip. I just wanna rip. There's no one gonna let me rip. Come on. Alrighty. And we're ripping. Woo! That dude just fucking ran the red light. This thing sounds so sick. I love it. And after that fun little test drive, we are going to go ahead and close out the video right here. Huge shout out again to Alex Engineering for sending me your cruise control module my way. I threw it in, it was super simple, 5 minutes. I really appreciate your support of the channel. So you guys go down in the description below, go to Alex Engineering. It's also right here on the bottom of the screen. Pick up your own cruise control module if you have an aftermarket steering wheel, or pick up that aftermarket steering wheel knowing that you'll have cruise control now, and show your support to Alex. Again, thank you. And after that fun little test drive, we are going to go ahead and close out the video right here. Huge shout out again to Alex Engineering for sending me your cruise control module my way. I threw it in, it was super simple, 5 minutes. I really appreciate your support of the channel. So you guys go down in the description below, go to Alex Engineering. It's also right here on the bottom of the screen. Pick up your own cruise control module if you have an aftermarket steering wheel, or pick up that aftermarket steering wheel knowing that you'll have cruise control now, and show your support to Alex. Again, thank you. And like I mentioned at the beginning of this video, there is another Miata video coming right after this one next week. So if you are new to the channel, go down below, hit that red button, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments below, and I will see you in the next one.